Yeah, in H-Town lately, where you find me? Yeah, ride around city, no.
First time doing a curly cut at home. This is kind of crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh. Today, I'm giving myself a curly cut. You're gonna have to excuse me because I'm recording for TikTok right now. So if I keep looking down, that's the reason why. Before I hear anything from you, let me show you why. Okay, so I actually put in an aloe vera mask just because my hair has just been, she's been going through it. You know you have split ends whenever the hair is just like you could easily pull it off. And that's so bad. Look at that. All this extra that's not supposed to be there. Okay, so here's the plan. I got some like real authentic ones off of Amazon. It's these really like heavy, thick metal ones. I'll link it down below in the description. I've been watching Mains by Mel's tutorials on YouTube, and I've been like binging them. She has this one that I'm gonna follow step by step. Very thorough. It's very detailed. Okay, so I'm not just going in here blind. I'm not just going for it. My hair is my baby. And I actually do want to keep it long. With that being said, I know I'm gonna have to cut off a little bit of length. I'm expecting that. Dead end's gone for sure. And I also want a lot more body on top and a lot more just shape to it. I know I'm gonna do excellent. Deep breath, Zoe. I'm a little nervous. But I'm planning on doing a dry cut. We're gonna wash it and yeah. Okay, so we're currently out the shower. That was a long freaking time. I washed my hair with this Redken line, and the only product I put in my hair is the leave-in conditioner that goes with it. I'm not gonna be doing no ponytails or no unicorn cut, no wolf cut, none of that. Let's just cut it. First step she said to do is to split your hair from like the occipital bone, which is like, I don't even know if you can see it, this part of your head. Pointy bone in the back of your head. This actually might be the hardest part of the tutorial. All right, I feel like this is good enough. Okay, now she says to brush it out. It's like low-key already looks brushed out. Okay, fro. Okay, next thing she do, you're gonna grab the section with the brush and turn your head 45 degrees. So that whenever you finish cutting, it's not that weird like V shape, it's more like rounded. And bring it down to however much you want to cut while keeping your head turned. Lock the fingers in. No turning back now. Oh, okay. Hey. Okay, now she says to grab that same section, and instead of doing it down, we're gonna bring it out like this. You should be able to find what she calls a corner. I'm not trying to cut with my non-dominant hand, girl. Are you good? Let's try this again. Oh yeah, I see that. The corner. All right, so we're gonna bring another little section down.
Creating what's called a traveling guide. We're connecting each new section that we laid.
Yeah, right, I remember. So pretty much all we're doing from now is just connecting the new section with the old section of hair. Making this the traveling guide. Yes, I know some hairdresser terms. That's only because she said it. But yeah, just cutting with that as the guide so that it's even. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Do another cut. I'm cutting very little now. Whenever I style my hair, I know it's gonna look completely different and I wanna touch up some pieces. So I feel like it's better to cut not too much than to cut too much and then regret it. Man, I don't realize how thick my hair is until it's like completely brushed out. Because oh my gosh. I'm gonna grab this piece from the section we already cut as the guide. And now the hair goes out like this. And you just continue like doing it from the direction that the hair is growing. I feel like that's the main part of this cut that makes it way more round. Oh, brother. Oh, these ends feel so good being cut off because they were just causing everything to be tangled. It was like knotting within themselves. I really hope I'm doing a good job at explaining this. I had to watch that video a few times to actually understand it because I was like, wait, what? What's happening? And it's pretty simple. I think I was just making it harder than what it actually is. Oh, look at how long this is, y'all. Oh. These ends got to go. Oh my gosh, you see that shape? Oh my gosh, the shape is really starting to come through. This is so cute. This is looking like how it looks whenever I be at the salon. Let me find out I know how to do a curly cut. Okay, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I'm the curly hair influencer, okay? This is the first time I've been really bold with my hair to do something like this at home. I would have never done this. I need it bad, and I want it bad, you know? Your hair just be feeling so good, it's so light. If you've never like got your hair cut like this before, oh my gosh. Ow. See, yeah, them ends gotta go. Do you see this? Bye-bye. Period. Oh my gosh. I know you like, girl, that's not that much of a difference. Hey, yes it is. Okay, my hair, we already know my hair is already big, okay? Look at the shape, it's like way more round. I think I might cut maybe just like a little bit more off the top part, but like, you see how much more round it is? And this is like, okay, this is like a circle. This is like, you see what I'm saying? Okay, yeah, now you can really see it. Cause what? Oh my gosh. Okay, now we're moving on to this side. Doing the exact same thing. Ooh. We're going down, 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 down. I should not have worn lip gloss. One side is always longer than the other, and this is the side. Cause this side is like, I didn't even cut that much off the bottom, and it's like low-key a stark difference. So I have to like even this out. I wonder if that's normal. Do y'all deal with that? Like a side that's longer? Man, my hair's so thick. I mean, good problems though. I'm not complaining. I'm like, darn. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. This is the beginning of the layers. Now, from here is just layer work. This is actually going by a lot smoother than I thought. Like, dang, I'm kind of good at this. Okay, Zoe, period. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I'm so excited.
La vida es un carrusel, 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 carrusel. La vida es un carrusel, carrusel.
Okay, so just wanted to finish this vlog off. I'm currently out of town. It's still long. I know they say typically whenever you get a haircut, it might take a few washes for you to see like actually how your curls are sitting and how they're doing. Mine are like a little shrunken up just because they don't have all that dead weight on the bottom, which I'm fine with, you know, just as long as it's healthy. So much lighter. Feels so much better. Oh my gosh. But yeah, if y'all like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
La vida es un carrusel.